Yes, I'm making a video about coronavirus and AI, but don't worry, this is not just another video about how AI is helping to fight coronavirus because everyone has talked about it. First, I want to know if viruses are alive because the way people are afraid of it is like people are afraid of a ghost. And because I'm Asian, sometimes in the public transportation, I feel like people are looking at me like there's a ghost following me. I was surprised to find that we actually don't have a universal definition on what is alive. So, are you alive? Are you sure? However, the scientists could agree on that in order for something to be alive, it must satisfy most of these 6 following conditions. 1. Having one or more cells. 2. It should have homeostasis, which is the ability to regulate body temperature or pH, for example. 3. It should generate energy. 4. It should grow. 5. It should adapt to new environment. 6. It should respond to stimuli such as light. Therefore, the virus by itself is not a life form. The virus needs a host in order to make copies of itself and then spread. After entering the cell, the virus will start to do all these things, and it will reprogram the DNA of the cell. Viruses do carry DNA and RNA though, and they are essential to life. DNA is the blueprint of life, and RNA carries out these instructions and makes copies of the DNA. In other words, the virus is in a gray zone between life and not life. It's almost alive, but not quite yet. It just needs to be activated. There are many discussions about where we should draw the line between what's live and what's not, but in any case, especially in the case of viruses, it gives us a glimpse into perhaps a new definition of what's live. That leads me to a third interesting question. Can AI give us a new life form or a new definition about what is life? We've been so busy personifying AI in sci-fi movies, it is not difficult to imagine AI being alive. But so far, AI is not a life form. By itself, AI doesn't do much. But once inside of a computer, it can carry out amazing tasks such as cancer detection, making predictions, drug discoveries, or increasing efficiencies, for example. You probably have heard of Elon Musk's Neuralink project. It's a brain-machine interface that connects humans and computers. With this technology, humans can upload and download the information directly from the computers, just like Neo in Matrix. If I can upload my mind to a computer so it's not bound by this body anymore, I would love to live this way, like Samantha in the movie Her. Goodbye, body image problems! Elon Musk's vision is that we can use this technology to merge ourselves with the AI systems so we can improve these AI systems. But maybe we have created new life forms. A group of researchers from the Allen Discovery Center of the Tufts University in the US recently created something called xenobots. Xenobots are called completely new life forms because they are living programmable organisms. So we have living robots. It's just these robots are not created with plastic or metal, they're made of cells. Essentially, the researchers took 2 different types of cells and then combined them so they would behave the way the researchers want. Interestingly, the researchers used an AI to check millions of combination possibilities, and then the AI suggested which combinations could work. In the paper, the researchers successfully combined the skin cell and heart cell from a frog, and the new xenobot cell now has a motor motion moving around. Back to coronavirus. Well, nothing can kill coronavirus because it wasn't alive in the first place. So the best thing you can do is not to rely on AI to solve the problem, but to make sure you're not helping the coronavirus to enter your body, making you a host. You can wash off the virus by washing your hands regularly, or try beefing up your immune system by taking daily dose of vitamin C, D, and zinc, for example. Stay healthy out there. See you next time.